Welcome children. Today we are going to learn how to add two-digit numbers with regrouping or with carrying. Okay. So let us add addition with regrouping. Let us add two numbers 38 and 15. You see this ones and tens. 38 plus 15. For 8, there are 8 ones. For 5, there are 5 ones. For 3 tens, you see this green strips? Here, 1 here. So, now let us always remember, start adding from the ones place. Let us add all these ones together. So, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ones. Okay? In ones place, 8 plus 5. When we add 8 and 5, we will get 13. So, these 13 ones. From the 13 ones, we are grouping 10 of them and taking it to the tens place. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From this 13 ones, we are taking out 10 ones. And you know 10 ones make 110. That is carried to tens place. Now, that is the third step. Here, how many are left? Only 3 ones are left. 1, 2, 3. In ones place, 3. And now how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So, in ones place, when we add 8 plus 5, we will get 13. But we will write 3, which is in the ones place. That number 3 we will write here, and 110 we will carry to tens place. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we carry here 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1, 5. The same thing is there in your textbook. It will be more clear when we do more examples. So, let us go to the next. Yes, add. How to add this? Always remember what I told. When we start adding, start from the ones place. So, let us add. Yes, 4 plus 6. Question A, the numbers to be added 34 and 26. Let us start adding from the ones place. So, 4 plus 6, what is 4 plus 6? Yes, 4 plus 6 is 10. So, 10. And 10 is a two-digit number. We can write only one number in ones place. 10, which is in ones place. Here, ones and tens. 0 is in ones place. So, this one, this 0, we will write in the ones place. And this tens place number, we will carry to the tens place. What is it? 1. So, 1 plus 3 plus 2. What is 1 plus 3? 4. 4 plus 2. 4 in your mind. 4 plus 2. 6. So, the answer is 60. I repeat, always start from the ones place. The numbers in the ones place are 4 and 6. 4 plus 6, or 6 plus 4? 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6 is 10. And the ones place number, which is 0, that we will write in the ones place. And this 1 we will carry to the tens place. And we will add these three numbers now. 1 plus 3 plus 2. What is 1 plus 3? 4. 4 plus 2? 6. So, the final answer is 60. Let us go to the next one. Now, 59 plus 23. These are the numbers to be added. Always begin from the ones place. Which are the numbers in the ones place? 9 and 3. What is 9 plus 3? 9 in your mind. After 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 12. In this 12, which number is in ones place? This is tens and this is ones. Which number is in ones place? 2. This 2 we will write in the ones place. What about this 1? What do we do with this 1? We will carry this to tens place. Now 1 plus 5 plus 2. What is 1 plus 5 plus 2? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2? 6 in your mind. After 6, 7, 8. So, the answer is 82. Yes? So, without writing like this, you should be able to add. Just 2 examples I have shown writing this. Shall we write in our mind and carry? Yes? Okay. How to add 27 and 45? Always begin from ones place. What is 7 plus 5? 7 in your mind. After 7? Yes, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So, which number is in ones place? 12. So, which number we should write ones place? 12. Which number is in ones place of 12? 2. So, we will write 2. We will write 2 and carry 1. Now, we will add these three numbers. 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1? 3. 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3? 7. So, the answer is 7. Clear? Let us go to some more examples. Yes. Let us add these also. The numbers 48 and 32. Find the sum. Find the sum means you have to add only. So, 48 plus 32. How do we add 48 plus 32? Keep in mind, always begin from the ones place. So, 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? 10. In 10, which number is in ones place? 0. So, 0 we will write in the ones place. We got 8 plus 2, 10. We will write the ones place number which is 0 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now, 1 plus 4. What is 1 plus 4? Or 4 plus 1? 5. 5 plus 3. 5 in your mind. 3 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8. This is the answer. 48 plus 32 will give you 80. Let us add next one. Remember, always start from the ones place. Ones place, yes. Which are the numbers to be added? 56 and 26. How do I add 56 and 26? Ones place numbers 6 and 6. What is 6 plus 6? 6 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. In 12, which number is in ones place? 2. So, we will write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. 6 plus 6 is 12. We will write 2 here and carry 1 to the tens place. Now, 5 plus 1. What is 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2. 6 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes, shall we move on to the next? The numbers to be added, 27 and 44. Begin from the ones place. 7 plus 4. What is 7 plus 4? 7 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. What is 7 plus 4? 11. 11. So, which number is in ones place of 11? 1. We will write 1 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. 7 plus 4 is 11. Write 1 in the ones place and the other tens place number 1. We will carry to the tens place. So, 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1? 3. 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3 is 7. So, the answer is 71. Clear? Next is addition of 3 numbers with regrouping. Actually, this you have already done. You know how to add 3 numbers, right? Here you see 8 plus 5 plus 4. You have to add 8, 5 and 4. So, how do we add that? What is 8 plus 5? 8 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 you keep in mind now. 13 and 4. 13 in your mind and count 4 more. 13, after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, the answer is 17. How do we write 17? 7 in the ones place and tens place 1. So, this is the answer 17. If you write ones and tens, here you can write ones and tens over here. So, in tens place, you have to write 1. 8 plus 5. I repeat, how to add 8 plus 5. 8 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, 13 you keep in mind and add 4. 4 more. 13, after 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So the answer is 17. 8 plus 5 plus 4 is 17. We will do more examples. Yes? How to do this? Six plus 5 plus 4. What is 6 plus 5? 6 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 11 you keep in mind and add 4 more. 4 more. 11 in your mind. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. Write 5 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Yes? Let us do the next one. 7 plus 3 plus 5. What is 7 plus 3? 7 in your mind, 3 on your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 you keep in mind and add 5 more. What is 10 plus 5? Without counting itself you can tell me. What is 10 plus 5? 15. So 15. Next question. 5 plus 4 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4? 5 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 you keep in mind and count 4 more. 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13.